Signing out of Monopoly Go is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can sign off of your Monopoly Go's application. So as you guys can see, I have this Monopoly Go application. I'm just going to go on that. It will load in a few seconds. After the loading is done, as you guys can see, I'm at the home page. Now here, you have to tap on this friends icon, and there you guys can see. It has three options. The first one is contacts, Facebook, and invite. So if I tap on Facebook, it will want me to access my Facebook account. So which means I currently do not have any account linked to the Monopoly Go. But if I want to link my Facebook account, I'm just going to tap on confirm and I'll be able to link my Facebook account to my Monopoly Go. But if you already have linked an account and you want to change it, so there is simple thing. If you tap on that option, you will see an option for disconnect. You just have to tap on disconnect and your Facebook will be detached for Monopoly Go. But suppose you clearly want to reset the app and you want to delete the whole account. So basically you want to renew the game. So how can we do that? In order to do that, you have to go to your setting app. By the way, this is only for your Android. In order to do that in iOS, you need to reinstall the app. In settings, you have to search for apps. And I will tap on this first settings and I have to find Monopoly Go. And there you guys can see I found Monopoly Go. You have to tap on that and here you have to tap on storage. And in storage, you have to clear data first and then clear the cache afterwards. What it will do is it will delete all the stored information about Monopoly Go, which will renew the app. And then afterwards, you can relink or add a new account to Monopoly Go. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.